This is my most requested Vietnamese recipe. I make it for almost every party and it hits every time. Crispy, savory, and a little spicy, and never lasts more than a few minutes. Let's get into it. We're making Vietnamese Shrimp Toast, aka Bánh Mì Chiên Tôm. Thinly sliced 6 scallions. No one wants a giant chunk of green onion in their bite. Mince 1 shallot. Mince 1 habanero. I ran out of gloves, so I'm holding it by the stem. Trust me, you do not want to touch this with your bare hands unless you're into spicy surprises, you little weirdo. Spice is optional. Use cayenne, jalapeño, or nothing at all if you want to keep it mild and drama-free. Important step, cutting the bread. If you go in at 12 o'clock, you will get a sad circle, but we want that aesthetic oval. So, angle your knife at 10 o'clock for clean, uniform slices. Shrimpies! Save yourself some stress and buy peeled and deveined shrimp. Mince them up, and I mean really mince them up. Smaller than what you see here. I actually had to go back and chop them up again. The finer the shrimp, the more flavorful your toast will be. We want the shrimp and all the ingredients to be roughly the same size so that all the different flavors come together and sing. On medium heat, 2 tablespoons of oil. Heat up your shallots and peppers for 2 to 3 minutes. Toss in the shrimp. Then add your salt, pepper, and sugar. Use a wooden spoon to break up the shrimp and separate them from their friends. Cook the shrimp about 70% of the way, then turn off the heat and add the scallions and fish sauce. Let it cool for about 5 minutes. Then in goes the mayo. And the cheese. I'm using sharp cheddar and pepper jack, but if spice scares you, mozzarella is your friend. Time for plating. Get a good heap of that shrimp mixture on there and spread it out to cover the bread's surface. Look at my soldiers in formation, ready for battle. Bake for 10 minutes at 350 until the bread is crunchy and the cheese sizzles. Voila! Vietnamese shrimp toast. Crispy, umami, and always a hit. Thanks for watching, and if you like this, hit that like button, subscribe for more Vietnamese recipes, and drop a comment if you try it.